Hi everyone. Assalamu alaikum. You know what? Everyone's buzzing about Google's Nano Banana, but no one's showing you how to make money with it. Stick around till the end, because we're diving into the amazing world of the Nano Banana and uncovering how it can actually turn into a money-making machine. You won't want to miss this. Here are 9 ways anyone can start today with the Nano Banana to earn as a pro. 1. Edit photos for people. Most of the people want to fix up their portraits, change the backgrounds, or make their photos pop and look super professional. You can totally bring those old photos back to life and do so much more. Sell this as a service to freelancers, influencers, or businesses. 2. Create marketing images. Design social media posts, ads, or logos quickly. Small companies often pay for fast, low-cost graphics. 3. Make product photos. Snap a quick pic of any product, then let Nano Banana work its magic by placing it in some stunning settings. Offer this service to online shops and e-commerce sellers. 4. Help real estate agents. Spruce up those empty rooms. Add some fun furniture or switch up the wall colors. Agents pay well for better-looking property images. 5. Sell digital art online. Create posters, wallpapers, or designs with Nano Banana. Sell them on sites like Etsy, Redbubble, or Creative Fabrica. 6. Teach others how to use it. Make video tutorials, blog posts, or courses. Earn from ads, subscriptions, or paid lessons. 7. Build tools with the API. If you can code, connect Nano Banana to websites or apps. For example, an app that removes photo backgrounds in one click. 8. Offer custom packages. Sell bundles like 10 social media graphics for $50 or 5 product shots for $30. Clear pricing helps clients buy fast. 9. Post and earn from Facebook. Posting Nano Banana images made from your own photo, along with the prompt and instructions, attracts millions of views and creates steady visibility and income opportunities. These were the tactics you can start to boost your side hustle. If you loved the video, hit the like button and comment which part did you like the most. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.